In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion, a simple yet powerful way to bring your project management tools together. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting on your productivity journey, this integration will streamline collaboration and enhance your workflow effortlessly. So let's begin. First, head over to your Notion dashboard. For those unfamiliar, the Notion dashboard is your central hub where all your pages and databases reside. It's a place of endless possibilities where your personal projects, team tasks, and creative ventures come together seamlessly. By navigating to your dashboard, you're setting the stage for this integration process. Once you're at your dashboard, locate the Settings option. This is usually found in the sidebar to the left. Clicking on Settings will grant you access to a universe of configurations, allowing you to tailor Notion to your exact needs. Here, our focus will be on making the connection with Trello. Next, find and click on My Connections. This section is your gateway to optimizing Notion's functionalities by connecting with other apps and tools. It is essential as more apps are continuously integrated, enriching your Notion experience. From here, you'll see an option marked See All. Clicking on this will provide a comprehensive list of all possible connections you can make. It can often be overwhelming with so many options, but today we'll be focusing on Trello. In the Discover New Connections section, scroll until you find Trello and then click Connect. At this point, you're setting up a bridge between Notion and Trello so they can communicate and share information. It's like laying down tracks for a train to smoothly travel back and forth, moving data efficiently between the two platforms. You'll then be prompted to click on Allow. This step is crucial as it grants permission for Notion to access your Trello account. Don't worry, this connection is secure and your data privacy is respected. With just a single click, you're saying, yes, I trust these platforms to work together on my behalf. After granting permission, navigate back to your Notion dashboard. At this stage, everything has been set up. Now we just need to display your Trello board directly into Notion, centralizing your planning efforts in a single space. Access the Notion page where you wish to embed your Trello board. With your Trello board link ready, paste it into the page. This link is like a key, unlocking the door that brings your board into view on Notion. Finally, click on Embed. This crucial step transforms the static link into a dynamic block, displaying your Trello board within Notion itself. Congratulations, your integration is now complete. By following these steps, you've successfully created a productivity ecosystem where Notion and Trello coexist beneficially. Your tasks, timelines, and projects are now more accessible than ever, setting you up for success in the organized world you've built. Happy collaborating.